Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about the cracking or the sound issue of these pencils specifically. So these are called Tombow monograph, and if you have dissected it before or applied too much pressure on specifically this part of the pencil, you are going to see that when you hold it from here and start writing stuff with it, there are some cracking sounds or little sounds. So I found it really annoying and tried to do some ways to solve it by myself, and I did find a way to solve it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to remove this cap, and then you want to remove this part as well. Just twist it and it will come off. So after that, the thing you are going to do is really easy, and after removing these and removing the lead inside, you want to basically fill a cup or a bowl with water, and then just put it into that bowl or cup overnight. And I believe that it will most likely, since it did fix mine, it will fix the issue for you all as well. Well, I don't really understand much about this specific pencil, but the reason why that exists is probably some kind of a glue between this plastic part and this plastic part. So these parts cannot be removed. They can't be separated from each other, and if enough force is applied to it, if enough force is applied to this part of the pencil, it will, well, the glue will have some issues, I think. I'm not entirely sure about the reason, but it happens and it is really irritating, and you might want to fix that. So that's all. I hope that it works for you all as well. Please update me on the comments if it does or if it does not work. Have a good day or a good night. Bye bye.